companies will say it. They'll say the employees are number one, but if you don't walk the walk, do you really believe that? And I feel here we have a team that really believes that. We really want our frontline workers to be able to grow with the company, be able to adapt to it. We need to keep them healthy. And this is just one area where we're able to put a piece of equipment in, reallocate them over to something nicer for them. Every piece of automation that's going to come to this building is going to be something that is supporting their life so it's easier for them. They can go home with less strains. They can be happier when they go home. So that's the motivation. It naturally draws people to have interest in there. It's going to continue because you're going to retain them. They're going to want to be here. They're going to be able to be safe and keep injury free and just continue to do that. So there's not going to be any reduce in headcount. We're just going to allocate them and grow and continue. What it did allow us to do is then be able to take some of those funds that we were already starting to think about doing and add it into some other pieces of equipment out there, just some small, simple things where we can just keep moving forward that we were able to invest in and allow those areas to become a little more efficient, a little less strain on the employees. It came in, and then immediately when it first got up, there was a little hitch. Well, that's with every piece of equipment. Well, they were right there and they solved it, and we didn't really have any type of delay in getting on the timeline to get this thing going. There's a period of fear for me when I was doing that, because it was really on my shoulders to decide if we're going to take this first step. This was our first one inside the building. Which one do you go with and how it goes? I went that route because of how true they are, how they do partner, the opportunity that sits in front of you. We did not have the capital resource to be able to just go throw stuff in here. We are already constrained with the improvements that we are already doing, but we have a team that's on fire and they wanted more and they wanted to keep pushing. So we had to get creative, and one of those was an ability to bring a piece of equipment in without any capital. And they just definitely came in and made it happen.